Your TI-84 Evo can graph inequalities and shade the solutions for you with an app that comes built in. Press the On key to open the app grid. Arrow over to the icon with the shaded triangles. The bar along the top names it Inequality Graphing. If this icon is missing from your grid, you'll need to reinstall the operating system. The guide for that is linked in the description. Press Enter to open it up. A reminder pops up about how to open the app's Inequality menu, so press Enter again to close it. We'll use that menu later. Let's graph the system at the top of the screen. The equal sign next to Y1 is what turns into the inequality symbol. Press the left arrow twice to select the line's options, and press Enter to open them up. Arrow down to the middle row, and arrow right until it reads less than or equal to. Arrow down to OK, and press Enter. Arrow back onto the line, and type x plus 2. Press Graph. The line comes out solid, and everything below it shades in blue. Press the Y equals key to go back to the editor. Arrow down to Y2. Press left twice to select its options, and press Enter. Arrow down to the symbol row, and arrow right until it shows greater than. Arrow down to OK, and press Enter. Arrow back onto the line, and type -x plus 4. Press Graph again. This line comes out dashed, since a strict inequality leaves out the line itself, and the solution to the system is where the two shadings overlap. All that shading can get busy, so the app has a view that shades only the solution region. Press Second, then Trace. This is the Calc menu that the pop-up was talking about when we first opened the app. Arrow right to the Inequality tab. Scroll down to Unequal Intersection and press Enter. Now only the solution region is shaded. The same menu can also mark the corner of the region where the two boundary lines cross. Press Second, then Trace, and arrow right again. Press Enter to select boundary intersections. It marks the corner of the region with the coordinates along the bottom, x equals 1, y equals 3. That's it. More TI-84 Evo tutorials at calcplex.com.